In the last section, as you have seen, I have tried to have custom searching, but the issue was that since I have used the model as the request entry, some validations stopped me for searching whatever I want because I had to enter the values of the required fields. Let's have a look again. I was supposed to be able to search all the German cars, but because the brand is required and mandatory, I can't. It searches only Benz brand because I have to enter the brand. So now I want to say something. You should never use your model as anything else, not only request entry. Look at this. Never use models outside of the core of your domain. What is domain? Something to interact with your database. It would be a long story, but just as an info, again, forget using your entities, models, such things as anything else. Domain should be in charge of playing with your business only, your rules, the things that you are developing software about or for. So what is the solution? Let's see. Inside the infra folder, I have created another folder and called it request. Inside request, I created this simple class, car search request. And I just copied whatever I had inside my model into this class, but without any validation, no validation. So here, even if you have to add more properties or remove some properties, no issue. Feel free to do whatever you want because this class is in charge of just handling the searching for you. That's all. So what changes should I do inside my other part of the code? Here, instead of car, I change it to car search request. So now I'm not dealing with my car model entity anymore. Inside the controller also, I change the car to car search request. That's all. So now if I run the code, I would be still unhappy. Why? Because the brand would make me to have just one row. But now I am able to remove brand. See? I had 2 German car inside my list. So now the searching is working fine and returns me both. So we should learn the lesson. Never ever use your entities for anything else. Your entities are designed just to deal with your business. Later on, not in this course. If I could teach you DDD, you will see how everything should be isolated at your domain layer, nothing else. Okay, so now you know how to use custom classes as the entry for each endpoint. Done. Follow this way forever. Let me add something different also. when you're gonna deal with something like a custom request or classes that you want to create for handling something, I do suggest you to do something like this also. Look at this. You have car search request. It's a simple class. You can add another class and call it custom requests or custom request. It can be empty now, but if you try to inherit from this class like this, later on, if you have to add something general for all the requests, for example, you can do that. This is one of the nice ways to handle changes into your code. So later on, if somebody needs one more property, for example, inside all the requests, you can just add it here. That's all. Simple and easy. So as you can see, things are getting better and better by going through the course. In the next section, we will try to make it way more better. Thank you so much.